everybody. Welcome to another exciting episode of The Kirsch Life. I'm Chris.
I'm Brenda. I'm Aubrey.
And today is the day that we've been looking forward to for a long time.
Long time.
Because we are headed onto a couple of planes, and by tomorrow, we are cruise bound. Yes, it is finally that time that we finally get to take our cruise. We're going to be going on Royal Caribbean's Oasis of the Seas for a Western Caribbean cruise. So we get to leave this cold weather for a few days to enjoy some fun in the sun. So we're really excited for this. We hope you guys are excited too. So come with us on our next adventure.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
Well, we finally made it to Florida, with the exception of a little bit of an issue when we went to go get our bags. It was a pretty easy trip. It's just a little after midnight right now, so we are going to go to bed so we can get up tomorrow and go on our cruise. So we're gonna go to bed and we'll see you in the morning. All right, goodbye. Well, we got a little bit of sleep last night.
Just a little.
But I think we're just a little bit too excited because today is cruise day. After all this time of waiting and canceling and all that stuff, we are finally going on our cruise. So we're going to finish packing and we're going to get ourselves ready to go, and we're headed towards Oasis of the Seas. Let's go.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
Well, we're just about ready to cross the gangplank and make this vacation real. I'm excited, I can't wait. It's exciting.
Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man. Sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion.
Well, we're just about ready to finally check out our room. Rooms are open, so we're gonna see what our room looks like.
Now, with the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have.
I think it'd be awesome. So now what we gotta do is we gotta unpack. So we're gonna do some unpacking right now.
Time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it. The
So we just finished our sail away. It was really fun, really windy though. But we are gonna go back to our room and get ready for our first dinner here on the cruise. So let's go for it.
Maybe we should start living now.
Well, so ends our first day above the oasis of the seas. We just finished having dinner, and it was really good. The food was delicious. Service was a little slow. I think there was a few times where I thought that maybe our waiters forgot about us, but it was really good. I had probably one of the best prime ribs I have ever had in my life. It was delicious. And the girls, they had some fried chicken. And then after dinner, we headed over to the ice rink. Yes, there's an ice rink aboard the ship. And we watched Frozen in Time, which is a professional production of ice skaters that were skating to the stories by Hans Christian Andersen. We had some skaters and a really cool storytelling using sand. So the artist used sand to tell the story of the princess and the pea. And then after that, we headed over and grabbed some pizza over at Soretto's and something to drink. And we're going to eat this, and we're going to go to bed because tomorrow we are going to be at Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay. So we're going to eat, we're going to get some sleep, and we're going to wake up and go to the beach. So thank you for sharing another adventure with the Kirsch Life. Remember, I'm Chris.
I'm Brenda. And I'm Aubrey.
And remember that life is an adventure, so go do it. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.